All right, everybody, we're now going to go for a ride in our 1986 Ford F-150. One of the good features about this truck is it is an 8-foot bed. Most trucks nowadays you see they're 6-foot beds, 4-foot beds, or a 6-foot bed with an extra cab, but this is an original 8-foot bed truck, which makes it a lot better, and including the bed liner cover, which is brand new. Got a nice red interior here, as you can see, it's very clean. Got a cloth bench seat. You fit more people, have a lot more comfort. Got all our gauges here working and everything as it should. 2-knob radio, which I can't turn up at the minute, but does work. Horn still works. Our brakes as strong as ever. As you can see, the wheel didn't move in any other direction. And as we're cruising, she's still got her power, being that it's an original motor. In fact, being that Ford back in the 80s wasn't as fast as a muscle car, but still performed as it should. Got our back sliding window. Basically just a back and forth mover truck. Tranny there isn't a bit slipping as I go into each gear. Very, very nice Ford F-150. But anyway, we're gonna get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.